Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. Hopefully you guys had a good day, everybody is safe, and we got a good one, guys. All you gotta do is click my link down below, check them out. And now, they have Prime Day sales going in. This is Peladn. Not sure if I said that right. But this is going to be their mini PC with Windows 11 Pro. You get a mounting bracket. You can hook it up to your monitor. You got the HDMI cord. Of course, you get a power adapter and a mini PC. I'll show you that's already set up on my other monitor right now. Here it comes. So there we go. I already got my mouse plugged in. This is the front of it. You got the power button. Nice blue right there. You got 2 USB ports, Type-C, headset jack, and a reset key. There's the front. It has a nice metallic blue. Got that Windows or Intel 11th Gen processor. Here's the bottom. See the 2 holes? That's where you're going to put the mounting bracket. And you can model it or mount it, wherever you want on your PC. So that's an option. Or you could just leave it like that. Here's the side where the fans go. Oh boy, here we go. And in the back here, we got 2 HDMI ports, 2 more USB, and a LAN. And the power is right there. At the end, there's a LAN. It's kind of hard to move with the mouse, everything plugged in already. But there we go. And look at this. I just transfer all my files from my PC that's in my room to over here. I still don't know where I'm going to put this computer. But this is my external monitor. So you're going to have to buy a monitor. Or you could use your old one. Either or. But yeah, it has all the options. It's got the weather. It's pretty hot out right now. Here we go. You can have Alexa and all that good stuff. And here's my mouse. See it moving. And then check that out. So Wi-Fi, contrast, Bluetooth. So you can hook up sound bars to it. And a lot of good stuff. We'll check the update. I'm sure there's going to be a few more to do update. It took a few minutes to load up, do everything. But once that goes, everything goes smoothly. And you're ready to go with a brand new computer. So it's really cool. You can take this anywhere with you. Travel, on the road. Do some gaming. It has really great graphics cards. So you can definitely use this as a gaming PC. And like I said, it has Windows 11 Pro. CPU speed is 2.9. Yeah, see, it's going to take a few minutes. Memory storage is 8 gigs. Dual HDMI 4K display. You can do multiple connections with, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2. Microcomputer has a Gigabit Ethernet, so that's really fast. Oh boy, we got a lot of downloads. Alright, so that's going to be a few minutes. But it seems like everyone's happy with this one on Amazon, so definitely check them out. If you're interested, click my affiliate link down below. This is the brand new mini PC. Hard drive is 256 gig SSD. Intel chipset, wireless Bluetooth, so you get 4 USBs, you get 2 2.0s, and then you get 2 3.0s. So keep that in mind once you make the purchase. Under 2 pounds it weighs, so that's why it's super light. DDR4, SDR RAM, 256 gig flash memory, and the hard drive interface PCI times 4. But yeah, pretty much that's about it though. It's got to download a lot of stuff and it's going to reset and all that good stuff. So definitely check these guys out. You guys have a great weekend. Be safe. Stay cool.